All right, so this is a 2000 VIPROS III 20 or 2000 machine. Yeah, go ahead. Crank her up. .45 station. Get you. Punch an 11 gauge here. Machine runs a lot. Very good runner. Got a brand new X-axis motor. Pump that's only about 5 years old, and a servo that's about 5 years old. Servo pump. I can get you all the work orders on that. Change the oil every 12 months. About 2,000 hours. Doing some tapping right now with the Wilson tapping tool. Chiller comes with it. We got the guard for the back end there. It's a Z turret, so that means the lower turret is offset out to the top turret that's in. So it's easier for putting your dies in and your punches. You can see everything better. Hydraulic clamps, a couple of them got leaks in them. They just need to be resealed.
about it.